Mùsùlùmí kí lẹ gbójúlé, láìláìláláhù lẹ gbójúlé. Ìsìláàmù kí lẹ gbójúlé, láìláìláláhù lẹ gbójúlé. Kí wọ́n má gbọ́mọ wa Allah, kí wọ́n má gbọ́mọ wa Allah, kí wọ́n má gbọ́mọ wa Allah, kí wọ́n má gbọ́mọ wa Allah. Àwọn gbọ́mọgbọ́mọ kí wọ́n má gbọ́mọ wa Allah. Dákun wá ṣàánú àwa, dákun wá ṣàánú àwa Allah. Tekbir, Allahu Akbar. Tekbir, Allahu Akbar. Tekbir, Allahu Akbar. Welcome on board. This is Andy the Olumidio channel platform, all the way from Cairo. To all Islam, to everybody out there, I congratulate everybody. We love you, one love. We are one love in struggle. We serve the same Almighty Allah. Okay? Our Alpha Alhaji Sheikh Akilgba Gold. Your words of exhortation, your preaching, your sermons has really elevated many of us. Okay? I wish I knew. We thank God for your life. We love you, Daddy. I'm a Christian. I'm not a Muslim. I'm so happy for you. Finally, the stolen twins has finally returned home. Honestly, I congratulate with everybody. Either you are for Islam or not. You know, it's not an easy task. Okay, actually, you have seen the title. I'm not basically, but we thank God. Okay, God sees my heart. I'm so happy for you. Our daddy and the Lord in Islam, we love you. We celebrate with your family, especially your wife. She was tearing up. My goodness, come and sing ẹkún abiyamọ. Èmi náà ṣàbíyamọ. Mo mọ bó ṣe rí. Ṣó ti yé wa, mo ní ìtara. Ọkọ mi ò tiẹ̀ balẹ̀ nítorí woman yẹn. Nígbà tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ ń sunkún nígbà yẹn wọ́n ní tàwọn ni kọ́rò, tàwọn ni kọ́rò. Ṣé dé mọ̀ tàwọn ni kọ́rò yín ó ti lọ gan lọ́kàn mi pé ṣé pé kọ́ máa ro tàwọn bàbá wa. Bàbá dáadáa la ní o, you are a wonderful man. We love you, sir. But I dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Ọba ẹ̀yin Islam mo kí yín. Gbogbo èyí dẹ̀ kì í ṣe Islam nínú Nàìjíríà. Dúpẹ́ a kú oríire. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbà ní pé Nàìjíríà is a better place. Ṣé wá ráwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ bí náà? Ẹ wo a kí yín adẹ̀dúpẹ́ tó ẹlẹ́mìí Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run á dùn yín nínú. Ọlọ́run á gbàdúrà gbogbo wa. Ṣùgbọ́n mo kò fẹ́ ro gbogbo wa ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Those who are into shameful acts, those who are addicted into bad habits, harming one another. Do you understand? Tabaru dídùn ìfọ̀n, a máa họra dé egun. Ẹ má máa jẹ́ ká máa ro dídùn ìfọ̀n. Ṣé rí èèyàn lásán erùpẹ̀ ni wá? Perfect. Kò sẹ́ni tó mọ́ tán. Tẹ́ bá ní kẹ́ máa ro ìṣe àwọn èèyàn pé ká máa fi yẹn dára wa lóró. Tabaru ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí nǹkan tí mo ṣe èmi ò mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Actress Lizzy Anjorin ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jẹ́ kí èmi ò tiẹ̀ fẹ́ click update yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣó ti yé wa gbà mo rí update yẹn. Do you understand? Kì í ṣe gbogbo update lèèyàn máa fẹ́ torí nígbà míì tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá mọ bí tí ọlọ́kọ̀ ẹlòmíì tó ń wàyàn lọ́mọ. Ṣé ráwọn èèyàn tó bá ti ń wà táwọn I'm talking of my normal life. Tí bá ti ń rí èèyàn to be contradicting anything about you mi ò ní fẹ́ súnmọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀mí yẹn ṣáà ní kí n click update òun la fi mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti ráwọn ọmọ. Ṣùgbọ́n Hajiya Lizzy Anjorin ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé rí update tẹ́ ẹ ṣe yẹn nípa àwọn ọmọ kò sí tó burú bọ́ nígbà tẹ́ wá yà bàrà when you begin to nail your fellow spiritual in the Islam race is very wrong. Ibi tí ènìyàn ò sí Hajiya Lizzy Anjorin Ọlọ́run wà níbẹ̀ kí Ọlọ́run kó dẹ̀ fún yín ní ọgbọ́n tó ló wọ́n fún Solomoni. Ṣé rí ẹ tí mo rántí gbẹ̀yìn tó ṣerú nǹkan tẹ̀ ṣe yẹn nínú Bíbélì Èlíṣà ni nígbà tí ogun ìdè bó ṣe já lágbára nínú Olúwa tó jọmọ Ọlọ́run bíi ànábì wa òjíṣẹ́ ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Èlíṣà nígbà tó lọ ké bá Ọlọ́run pé gbogbo èèyàn mi mọ́ lọ ti pa tán èmi tí mo tún kù tó jẹ́ mi gan ni mo dáa jù nú àwọn èèyàn Ọlọ́run wọ́n tún ti ń gbógun ti èmi náà. Ọlọ́run sọ fún pé kó gbé gbogbo ẹnu ẹ̀ máa gbárí ẹ̀ kó gbé dákẹ́. 5,000 ọmọ èèyàn mi mọ́ nínú Olúwa bí ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lòun ti fi sí ìpamọ́ tí ò tí forí balẹ̀ fún òòṣà pé kì í ṣe ìwọ nìkan ló tí forí balẹ̀ fún òòṣà tó bá fẹ́ kémi Ọlọ́run gbà ẹ́ máa gbà ẹ́. Hajiya Lizzy Anjorin mo fẹ́ sọ. I want to tell you something. Gbogbo èèyàn ló lẹ́lẹ́dàá tí wọ́n. You came on here. If you want to appreciate God for the life of our returning twins. Why can't you just do it? Don't you know that you are a representative? Whatever you do, that is why most times I speak English on my platform. I'm not acting posh or something, because I believe I'm a representative to the world. Do you understand? We are the worst graded. Whatever you do, and to sọ tó nà kakọ sọmọ làkejì pé ojú tì gbogbo wa lójú jọ tì. All these people you are claiming they didn't make video. How are you sure? This one I'm making now, minimum it will take 18 hours. The internet these days. Do you understand? And I cannot afford in this corona situation to go and be buying data. I'm not going to be deceiving people. Not that I cannot walk up to Etisalat or Vodafone and blah 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 with all the lines and buy data. But presently, we don't know where this COVID-19 is. I cannot afford to start buying data. Do you understand? My neighbor's internet work better, but I hate going there to upload. Because Tobatin Dodojumo in community. This one I'm doing, it can take 18 hours to upload. And before, within 20 minutes, 15 minutes, we will upload. But these days, we don't understand the shutdown. It can take 18 hours or more, even at times almost 24 hours to upload. So don't say you didn't see your fellow Muslims. If it's to come on air, to come and be nailing each other, to come and be fighting, they will do that. But what kind of impression? We thank God for our Sheikh Akeugba Gold. He has gone fast spiritually. Wọ́n lójú inú wọn lè máa rorò kúrò. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé òye ọmọdé lẹ́yìn fi gbé ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹlòmíràn tó bá gbọ́rùn kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn á máa ro nǹkan mí nípa gbogbo àwọn tẹ́jọ́ ṣe Islam ní pé àwòtọ́ ni o. Ìjà ni wọ́n mọ̀ ọjà. They can only label negatively. They cannot make positive updates for the missing twins. Then ẹni ẹ̀rá wọn ẹ̀rí àpẹẹrẹ lórí Instagram. So what? As a mediarist that 247 all my life I'm on air looking for latest gist and blah blah blah. There are a lot of relevant updates that is relevant for my occupation, that is very important, that I will not see. I will just be seeing them after 6 days. And not that I don't have internet, not that I'm not checking not that I'm not online, but it will take me at times because there are many updates. Let me tell you something. Àwọn nǹkan máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà mìíràn gẹ́gẹ́ bí èrò ọkàn wa téèyàn bá wà tó fẹ́ràn favoritism. Bọ́lá ń tọ́ lọ́wọ́n àtẹ̀sù dẹ̀ ti rí ọkọ ẹ̀ pé ẹni like favoritism, ó fẹ́ràn àfẹ̀mí. Wọ́n á máa dùn yín inú ni, wọ́n á gbé yín sórí scale. Àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ rí tẹ́ fi máa banú jẹ́ pé ẹni náà ṣe bíi tèmi ní rí, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kọ́kọ́ fún yín. So if you don't see people's positive update, does not mean that people are not coming out. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ lè wà lóòótọ́ tí wọ́n tiraka tí wọ́n ṣe, wọ́n lè máa rìnrìn àjò tẹ̀mí kọ́ máa gbàdúrà. Maybe they have been praying for this man. Update mean nothing. Those people that did update, awareness that please we are looking for wonderful, amazing twins. That does not mean those people love our Alhaji Sheikh. Ìyẹn kọ́ nìfẹ́. Ọlọ́run ló rí inú tó jẹ́ olùmọ̀ràn kan. Do you understand? But don't get me wrong, oh. We have positive people who are making updates like you are positive. Do you understand? But téèyàn bá ṣe nǹkan náà kò túmọ̀ sí, because Godfather tèmi tó jẹ́ ẹlẹ́sìn Islam bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé Kristẹni lèmi, wọ́n jẹ́ kí n mọ àwọn èèyàn kan, mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ tó pè wọ́n, pé ọlá àwọn yẹn lọ́lọ́run wò tí ò ṣe tí ìpààyè rẹ fáwọn tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ayé wọn lọ́ fi ń sin Ọlọ́run, èèyàn ò dẹ̀ lè mọ̀. Wọ́n ní aṣọ kan lè máa rí lọ́rùn wọn, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n dọ̀tí o, wọn ò káràmáṣíkì gbogbo nǹkan ayé, mo ti gbàgbé. Wọ́n jẹ́ kí àwọn náà lọ jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ nípa hadith of Ànábì. I don't know, wọ́n ṣàṣọ gbogbo ibi téèyàn lè máa kánú Kùránì tó máa jẹ́ kí ìgbé ayé ẹ̀dá. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ń ṣaláṣehàn. Silent people positively doing exploit. That does not mean please. Let's fear God. Then at times bẹ́ẹ̀ mi bá ṣe darí èèyàn pé má jáde o, má sọ kankan, kò máa fàdúrà ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Tó ti yé wa, ẹjọ́ gbogbo èèyàn ló ní ẹlẹ́dàá tiẹ̀. Let's fear God. Ẹ má kàn máa fa àwọn èèyàn cascos àbí máa fi wọ́n ṣe àtẹ̀gùn. Àwọn èèyàn ẹlẹ́dàá ní agbára gan. Nǹkan téèyàn ò bá rí, téèyàn ò sí ń bẹ̀, kéèyàn má máa sọ. Do you understand? Ẹjọ́ tó kí n kọ́ tẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ wá ta kẹ́yìn kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ rò pé rọra sọ yẹn, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ní agbára ni. Tó dẹ̀ lè dá wàhálà lẹ̀ nígbà míì. At times it can cause a lot of commotion. I mean massive commotion that no human being is capable to settle it. Please, people have their own do you understand? Their own personality. How do I put it? Don't just come and be nailing people. The people you are not feeding, the people that I mean, do you understand? They are independent to their life, how they want it to be. That does not mean they wish that man bad. That does not mean they wish we should not find those twins. Thank God we have found. Why can't you make a normal update? How can you say that about your fellow human being? That the only thing they know is to come on here and start shading people. Nobody made positive updates. Yes, you did not see some positive update because you got God has examined your heart. You do not want it to see. Let me tell you, God answers us according to what is going on in our heart. If we don't wish to see anything positivity, we are not going to see it, even though positivity do exist. Please, it's an error to speak of people like that, especially those who you are in Islam together, in the name of, if you want to tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sálámọ̀ Alfa Saheed yín, kò sẹ́ni tó against ẹ sálámù ẹ. If you want to give accolade to Alfa Saheed, there's no big deal. Nobody is against that. Give him wonderful accolades. Don't imply others. Ẹ má mú táwọn ẹlòmíì mọ ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Olúwa ẹlẹ́dàá ó lágbára gan. Adúpẹ́, thank God, like you claim, you are the only one that make the video, and we thank God that those people listen to you just because of your own video, just like you exclaimed, I do believe you. You are the only one that make video on air, and just because of your own video, not even because of our wonderful daddy Sheikh Akeugbago's not because of his own updates that please my children are missing, but because of only you, Lizzy Anjorin. We bless God for your life. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ gẹ́lẹ́ pé fídíò tẹ́yìn ṣe nìkan lọ́lọ́run fi gbàdúrà. Adúpẹ́ tọ́lọ́run lò yín, ṣùgbọ́n ìṣẹ̀dá ó lágbára. Olúkálùkù ló ní ìṣẹ̀dá. Kì í ṣe pé a lè rí ká máa sọ, don't get me wrong, that does not mean we cannot make some corrections about fellow human beings, but this is not a correction. You don't own people's life and you don't know what they do in their closet, in their privacy. Mọ nǹkan tó olúkálùkù ṣe kọ́lọ́fín. Àìmọye nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan gbangba tó jẹ́ pé is not accepted before God. Ọlọ́run á ràn wá lọ́wọ́, fellow people out there, fellow Nigerians. Kọ́lọ́run kó gbà wá lọ́wọ́ ká máa takò ara wa. Kì í ṣe pé a lè rí ká máa sọ. That does not mean you cannot make a correction. But why do we always antagonize? May the Lord have mercy upon Nigeria. When you stand, ẹ̀yin kàn ríra yín bí èèyàn ẹyọ kan ni. You are standing on behalf of everybody. That is what you don't know in the world. You are a representative. Get that straight. Although àgbájọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà lóòótọ́, ọwọ́ kò gbẹ́rù dórí, I understand you, but still it hasn't got to that. Do you understand? I understand that at times together we stand, divided we fall. I understand your plight, but still, do you understand? People have, do you understand? You cannot, that would be so dominating. You don't know what they are doing. You cannot judge. You cannot be judgmental on your platform, please. And I love the way you encourage people concerning the coronavirus situation, that the rest countries, may the Lord remember us so that we too will resume. It has not been easy. Even Alfa Akeugbago wọ́n sọ wọ́n ní táìmù yìí kì í ṣe àsìkò téèyàn jágbe máwọn tó nílò nǹkan. I said the people can be irrational at times, which I don't believe concerning to our daddy Akeugbago, that people are reactional about what happened to him. But everybody have their challenges that they are battling with right now. Don't say what you don't know, please, I beg you. Me, I do not believe you are the only one that updates, but like you have said, I do believe that if not for you, àṣà dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin bá ṣe gbogbo wa náà ni. Àṣà dúpẹ́. But it's your update about blaming people, querying them. It is totally wrong, my dearest Haji and Lizzy Anjorin. I gotta go. This is your girl. I gotta go, everybody. Islam, we celebrate Akwa Wepo Bel Ramadan Kareem. Inshallah, Ramadan Kareem. Do you understand? Fellow Nigerians, everybody around the world, please, it is well. I gotta go. Please subscribe and share. Let it go viral. Love you guys.